Drop it. No, don't go back out.
What happened?
Don't be seen by the
Old
robot.
bird!
He went back into the thing.
Get up! Get here!
Go back, go back! Why is he ascending? It's so slow. We need a painting. I want to get that
I need to
painting.
get in.
Come on!
I'm kind of heavy. as
He's
fuck,
leaving.
So it's kind of hard for me.
What the hell?
He's going after Hugo. There's two of them, by the way.
Oh, he has the painting.
But he has to get back though.
Jesus Christ.
You made it.
Dude, those things are scary.
Tell me about it!
Yeah, like they're...
Oh no! Oh my god! Jesus Christ! Hey,
You pussy!
buddy. Loser!